Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and having a beautiful day. In today's video, I've got a really short one for you. We'll be working with something really beautiful and simple, and I'm sure you can make this on your own. I would link a video as how to make the Christmas presents, so that you can watch it if you would like to make the particular stars and everything else in the quilt. But I haven't done a pattern. It's just something I just throw together really quickly. All right. However, I wanted to say a message to Yvette. Yvette, if you are watching this video, can you please let me know whether or not you received the rotary blades that I sent out to you from Fabric Hut? I did get a message from the Postal Service saying that you had received it, but I hadn't heard anything back from you, so I'd like to know if you actually received it. So I haven't heard from you. I think you did say to me you were going on holiday, but I think I sent it while you were on holiday. I'm assuming so anyway. But nevertheless, please let me know if you did receive them, or check your postal. Secondly, I know I've got some giveaways to complete, and I'm trying my best, but I'm going to try and get them done. If we don't get them done this side of the year, don't worry. They're still there waiting to be sent out to whomever. I will do it for next year. I've got another one that I need to give away as well. So we will do that. It's just, I think at this time of the year, it's not going to be wise to send it. It's going to be lost somewhere because it's Christmas and everything goes lost at Christmas. So I think I'll leave it till, you know, middle of January or something like that, and then that way I'll be sure that you'll be able to get it. Plus it's going to cost me more to send it out at this time of the year. All right, so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do leave a comment down below. It doesn't matter what the comment is. It could be great, well done, algorithm, hey Karen, is excellent job, whatever it is, leave a comment please. This helps the video to be shared a lot more easily, or at least help YouTube to actually suggest the videos to others. So just something as simple as that, you know, thumbs up, you know, great job. It doesn't really matter, or lovely video, or lovely quilt. Let's say lovely quilt, you know, if you know, don't sure what to say, just say lovely quilt, and then that way it will help. So definitely do like and subscribe for more. Please share the video out and subscribe if you are here for the first time. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It really helps me grow the channel so much more easier when you do, and it gives me encouragement to do so, because if the numbers are not growing, sometimes you think, well, what's the point? All right, but please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. So important, and it's totally free. All right guys, so let's dive straight into the video. All right, so I have two of these panels, and I'm going to fit some red fabric around it and just sew it as a wall hanging. I love this, absolutely love this. So I haven't added any backing at the moment, but that's what it is at the moment. So I am most likely going to do a piece backing for it, but I just love this. I've had this since last year actually, so I thought it's time to use it up. All right, so let me get going with this, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. so this is completed. I'm gonna go hang it on the wall, and then we can take a look at it better from the wall, but I got a surprise for you also. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the spot, and I'm going to hang it. It looks lovely. I wish I'd made the borders a bit bigger, but from the camera it looks a bit awkward, but in reality it looks really beautiful. It looks very bright there, but on the wall from my eye shot it looks really beautiful in the sense that that lovely dark Christmas red, which is gorgeous. I'll try and zoom in. I did meandering literally on the green, so I changed my colors, and on the black obviously I used black thread, and white again white. So anywhere that I could have, you know, just add the right colors is what I did. I'm going to go in a bit closer, hopefully you can pick it up. Yeah, so those are the meandering there. It's very close. I think I'll back up a bit. So that's it really, but it looks gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love the way I've just used it as it is. It looks like a picture on the wall, which is what I was aiming for, in all honesty. I just love the way it looks. I use white for the binding, and of course, you know, I've used red for the border, but amazing. So very simple, quick project, but looks stunning in that area there. I'm going to show you what else I've done with this particular pattern here, the panel, but I'm loving this. It's as simple as is. Let's go to the next one now. All right, so this is now completed. It measures 67 by 69, beautiful size for my queen bed, and it sits really nice. I've used gold thread swirls for my quilting. I've added some presents on both of the sides. If you want to know how to make the presents, I will put a link in the description box for you for another video. I wasn't sure about the two red bars I put in the middle, but it looks all right. And it looks really good. On the back, I've used a brown quilting thread. That's the pattern. It looks really lovely, very much Christmassy, and I'm loving it. You can see the quilting on the back. It looks good. Let me know what you think down below. I look forward to what you think. Well, I mean, it looks all right. You know, I kind of use my imagination with it, of how I wanted to present the quilt, but it looks lovely in person. All right, so I'm going to leave it there. Do like and subscribe for more. Do share with me, guys. What do you think of the quilt as well as the wall hanging? Would you have used it another way? I guess because it's a rectangular shape in the panel, I was a bit unsure how to work with it, but I think not I think, I am happy with the results. All right then, guys, bye for now. Happy quilting, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.